love seeing all of your smiling faces here to support HBCU Week. Going to a HBCU was literally one of the best things to ever happen to me. So I'm so excited that all of you are interested and having these conversations and meeting all the people, and just continue to do the same. I'll see y'all.
Now, one thing about an HBCU is all about the culture. Now, we just did R&B. We're going to do a whole little timeline run through, right? So we're going to have a little fun right now, right?